Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my village. So it's Peace once again, and today I'll be making some charcoal using charcoal dust and flour. Yes, surprisingly it's flour. So flour makes very good charcoal because it's a very good binder. And then right here we have this. So this is wood which is cut very well, and then we have this pipe. So that's it, 2 cups flour, and then I'll pour in the charcoal dust. Woo! After adding them together, I first give it a mix. And as you can see with this, I've left in some big particles. So after mixing it together, I'll then go in with hot water. So right now it's not so hot, so I can go in with my hands. So if you mold it and it forms a ball, that means that's enough water. We don't need to add in more. So that's it. So right now we are going to the best part, where I'll be using this. So instead of making circles like every time, so this time I'll be piling the mixture into this pipe. So when it's full, just like that, press it down. This side is better. I think this side is better. And then I'll use this heavy mortar to hit it down. So when you feel that it's firm enough, you push it out. So I think this is even much easier and fun than making circles. Well, so we are done with making our briquette, and this is the amount of charcoal we can get from 1 bucket of charcoal dust and 2 cups of wheat flour. Well, see, they are really very firm. So just as simple as that, you make yourself some good charcoal. So fair enough, it's a sunny day. Our briquettes will be dry in 2 days. So our charcoal is dry. It has been under the sun for 3 days. So you can see how strong it is. No matter how hard you hit it, it doesn't split. So lighting is very easy. I've just got some little fire. And I'll just pack our charcoal. So you can put it full, or you can choose to break it. So there, our charcoal is starting to light. Well, as you can see, a few minutes later, our maize is ready. That's how well our charcoal works. So I want to show you the next step. So these briquettes are good in a way that after cooking, you can put them off and then use them the next time you want to cook. You just pour water. Just like that, and that's it. So you can see our charcoal is still holding firm, though it's hot. So I'll just take it to the sun and let it dry and reuse it the next time. Just like that. So when it's dry, I'll just keep it, and the next time I want to cook, I'll just take it and use it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly, for new, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.